Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Numeric Nest, and in this video we are going to solve this question for C, and we have a c square plus c cube. This is equal to 150 and we find the value of C. So let's start. In the first step we subtract a 150 on both sides of this equation. Subtract 150 on this side and also subtract a 150 on this side. This will cancel. On right hand side we just get 0, and this is a c square plus c cube minus 150. And in the next step we split this 150 into two terms, so we copy the remaining values and we write this 150 as a 125 negative 25. This is equal to 0. So the important question is that why we write this 150 into a 125 and 25, because we write this 125 as a 5 cube, which is equal to this 125, and our this term is also in a cube form. And look at this 25, we write this as a 5 square, which is equal to 25, and this term is also in a square form. So this is a c square plus c cube minus 5 cube, and this is a 5 square is equal to 0. Now we rewrite this as a c square minus 5 square plus c cube minus 5 cube. This is equal to 0. Look at this first two term. Here we use the identity, which is a square minus b square. As we know, this is equal to a plus b and multiply a minus b. Look at this last two term. Here we use the identity, which is a cube minus b cube. This is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus b square plus product of a and b. So according to first identity, this will become a c minus 5 multiply c plus 5, and according to this second identity, this will become a c minus 5 multiply c square plus 25 plus 5 times c. This is equal to 0. So c minus 5 involved in these two terms, so we factor out c minus 5, and the remaining is a c plus 5 plus c square plus 25 plus 5 times c is equal to 0. And this is a c minus 5 c square. Add these two values, then we get plus 6 times c, and add these two values, then we get 30 is equal to 0. Here we use the 0 identity, which implies c minus 5 is equal to 0, or c square plus 6 times c plus 30 is equal to 0. This implies c is equal to 5. This is the one answer of c. And for this part we use the quadratic formula. Quadratic equation is a c square plus 6 times c plus 30 is equal to 0. So in this equation, the coefficient of a is equal to the coefficient of c square, which is a 1, and b is a coefficient of c, which is a 6, and c is a constant, which is a 30. The formula is c is equals to negative b positive negative square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. Now we substitute this value in the formula. So this is a negative 6 plus minus square root b6 is a b square is a 6 square, which is a 36 negative 4. A is a 1 and c is a 30 over 2, and a is a 1. So this is a c is equal to negative 6 positive negative 36. Multiply these two values, then we get 120. 2 ones are 2. This is equal to negative 6 plus minus negative 84 over 2. So in the next step we find the factor of 84. So 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are, and 2 ones are 2. So we write this as a c is equals to negative 6 plus minus 2 times square root 21 iota over 2. This is also equal to negative 3 plus minus square root 21 iota. So we get the three answer of C. First one is a C is equal to 5, and the second is negative 3 negative square root 21 iota, and the third is a negative 3 plus square root 21 iota, and we have done.